Nase omuroberi Okobekerwa Chigutwa Abaorokiwa ba 14 ase skuru ye Unversity ya Kisii gesa echaka kobekera Abaorokiwa baye Chigutwa.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm honored to join all of you here today on this rare occasion of the 14th graduation ceremony of Kisii University.
Omosangirikano uyu nigo nyara kwa kugwekeranwa amuno muwaziri w'ekisemi imense ya Kenya omusikechuri asimigosi ogamba omunyakirugo bwe University eyo Dr. Sarah Ruto nabwo omo Vice Chancellor Professor Nathan Ogechi amo nabageni bande abange.
The reason that we gather here is to commend and recognize the graduates for successfully completing their studies and earning their various qualifications.
Ase omugano bw'eskuru eyo Abaorokiwa 24 nigo banyako bakobekerwa Chigutwa koru ase ensemo area ya medicine gesa eskuru eyo echakia kobekera Abaorokiwa baye Chigutwa.
We've graduated the very first cohort of the 24 students who've done medicine and surgery from this university. And the most critical thing is that they did that within the academic period of 6 years, which means this institution is being run in accordance to the mandate and the programs that have been.
Korengana amona omuwaziri w'ekisemi wizara y'ekisemi nigo yabekire emeroberio yokwenekya buna abarimu nabo igo chiskuru nigo kiraje kunyara kwa chikonyora kibesa cyabo bwikiranu asobwango buna enjera eyemo yogukora emegomo asikirie arorokana kwa korkya ogwichana kwae buna emegomo yo nigo yanyara kwa bakegotenya amasomo ase University ase korende akiranande abarimu mbuyamono asogwanja kuigwana amone serikali nabo igo gukora omogomo uyu nyara kwa bagoko genderera.
Even with the challenges that we've had with a number of strikes in the sector, still the individual universities can be able to run their programs to ensure that the students complete their studies within the time allocated, and that's what has been demonstrated here. So I just want to encourage each one of us that it is possible to achieve these goals once they are set. And you remember we had a 49-day strike that led to us negotiating a settlement of the payment of the 7.7 outstanding amount from the 2017-2021 CBA, and we agreed that that amount would be paid in 2 equal installments. That is 3.
Korengana amono munyakerugo Dr. Sarah nigo ainekya buna eskuru eyo nigo yarikia amubaro bw'abasubati ase enamba enene buna enchera emo yokurwari baga. Korengana amoniri chiko nabo igo ase anyara kobaga koboria Abaorokiwa abanyara koba kobekerwa Chigutwa chinga kibakore chiskuru basokire banyara koba gukora omokia nabo banyara koba kwerenda buna enchera emo yokogenderia amagima abo ase amatuko arebosio.
And my first reflection is that the academic and educational grounding you have received is sufficient to enable you to start or continue the journey. It is sufficient, but it is not enough to sustain you. That will allow you to be creative. So train yourself to think, not just to listen and sit back. Train yourself to think. And I'm glad to report that 40% of the recruited staff this year were female. This is important because when you look at our staff, especially the faculty, I think the female staff account for only 20 or 30%. Therefore, having more coming is helping us to meet the constitutional mandate that we have.
It's also the results of the sacrifices, dedicated efforts and prayers of your parents and guardians.
To all that pertains to these degrees. Congratulations.
Gikulpoteria emesa ya mang'ana maya koru ase skuru ya Unversity ya Kisii. Eriane ni gonkuru kwa Hespon Bosire.